I ain't got nothing better to do than to watch these ants move this beetle. Now that's what you call teamwork making the dream work. Everybody working together to serve a purpose. And they've moved him real good because he was over here. A puppy over here somewhere. Okay, he was over here, probably right at the tip. I'm gonna dodge his nose. And I thought they had to flip it over. I'm gonna sit right up here. And you're watching me. You see, he's not quite between that the container where my seedlings are. Cut out the. You would think ants would be slow. No, ma'am. Look how they are moving this bad boy. It has to be 300 times their size, but together they're getting it done. Where they're taking it, I have the slightest idea. See? I don't know whose back is on. I wish I could get up under there and look a little bit closer to see whose back this beetle is on. And I see some crawling across the top of it. I'm trying to magnify it a little bit more. Now see, they don't move it. We ain't gonna get her a good meal tonight. Now they're probably down there on the edge over here. Out there. Where I've been digging at. Yeah, see, they got it. They done moved between the two little blue things. I know I ain't got no steady hand. So I'm gonna try. They done moved it about a foot now. I'm gonna pause it to the end and see where they're going.
Dress is completely sold out. So this other dress is from Old Navy. It is.
They're still moving it. Haven't quite yet found their destination yet. Hold tight.
Dress that is probably going to fit you a lot better. Okay, let's get into it.
They done flipped it over. I lost it. They had a standstill. They on a stick. I'll be back. I'm not really sure if they're trying to take it down in the crease there, but they breaking this bad boy down. And I think they're trying to take him down in there. It's very interesting. It's amazing working in the garden, what's it's turned me into. Watching all kind of animals. I'm sure they watch us too. A lot of us act like animals.